Hey guys, I'm here with the brand new Fingerlings baby monkeys. They react to touch, motion, and sounds. Batteries are included, which is a plus. So friendship at your fingertips, 40 plus ways to play. Let's grab one of these and I'll show you the back here. Hold on, let me get it focused. It says, adorable pets that never want to let you go. Fingerlings are the cutest baby monkeys. They go wherever you go, right side up or upside down. They love to monkey around. Swing them, pet them, rock them to sleep. Lovable, wearable pets. Hug them, kiss them, and they're so sweet. Super awesome. So basically that's what you can do. You can just move them around. It's going to be a good time. There are a bunch of them to collect. Do they have the... Yeah, they do have it. Okay, let's see. Let's get this focus here. They have 6 different ones to collect. I only picked up Zoe and Finn here. And they also have Mia. Why is that on focus? Okay, they have Mia, Sophie, Boris, and Bella. I didn't see... I think I saw this one, and this one. Or no, I didn't see the white one. The white one was the one that wasn't there. But they are so cool. Let's go ahead and get them out of the package so we can take a closer look at them. Here is a closer look at Finn. Here is so cute, so cute. They have this nice little bit of hair here. This one is blue. I think it's so cute. I think it's so cute. They have like a rubbery feel to them, which is interesting to me. I thought they'd be like a hard plastic, which they are hard plastic. The head is definitely hard plastic. But the legs and the arms and the tail are rubbery. I don't think the body is hard plastic as well, I believe. You can move its head, or well, it will move its head. And then we have the mint monkey, the mint colored monkey Zoe. Same thing, except she has purple hair up here. Super cool, super cool. So they do have an on and off switch right here. They are off right now, obviously. We also, is there a pull tab? I guess there's no pull tab we have to pull out. So we can just go right ahead and start. Is that all? That's so funny. Oh, look when they hang upside down, the eyes close. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. So you can put them on your finger like so. Oh my gosh, that's cute. That's cute. Hi, little friend. Okay, so let's see. What do we get to do? We can swing them. We did that. Pet them. Well, let's try to swing them. Woo! Let's open this one. Turn this one on. Oh my goodness, her switch is stuck. There we go. Hello. Sweet, these are so cool. Oh, that's so cute. What else can we do? Pet them. Aww. He's reacting to my petting. And then rock them to sleep. Well, let's rock this one to sleep. Is he falling asleep? Did he fall asleep yet? I think he's sleeping. He's not saying anything. Whoops. Oh, no, they're up. They're up, they're up. Let's see. Hug them, kiss them. Okay. They're so cute. I like their little noises. Okay. And then we can put them back on. My fingers are so small. Let's see, let's see. Trying to get that. Here we go. We got our monkeys. Oh my gosh, they're so crazy. They're crazy monkeys. Look at them. Oh. Oh, you didn't give me a kiss. I like when you pet them. They're so cute. They're so into it when you pet them. Look at them. They're so cute. Let's rock them to sleep. Oh, somebody went to sleep. I think it's this one. Let's rock you to sleep. Everybody go to sleep now. No, it's not playtime. It is sleep time. Sleep. I don't know how the rocking to sleep works. Let's see. Okay, we're just gonna swing you upside down. I like holding them by the tail. Oh, I am so sorry. I didn't mean to drop you. Shh. It's okay. It's okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. These are crazy cute. They're crazy cute. They're really cute little friends. What do you guys think of them? Let me know in the comment section down below. Oh, this is so cute. I wish I could figure out how to rock them to sleep. Let's just see if this works. Shh. You could totally connect them together too. Look at that! Look at that! That's cute. So you can wear this one, and then this one will be attached by the tail. Oh my gosh, you can make a chain of little monkeys. You can make a chain of little monkeys. But you guys will have to let me know what you think of these in the comment section down below. I think they are quite cute little friends. They are quite cute. But let me know what you think. Also, let me know which one is your favorite. I do like Finn. I love the colors of Finn. More monkey-ish, if you know what I mean. But let me know which one is your favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because I post new videos every single day. Thank you guys again so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!